In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your Google Maps to different locations if you are traveling. If you are on a journey, you can use it to travel to navigate across, enter different locations, and then know exactly where you are going to. So to start, you come to your maps. You can come to your Google Apps. You can come to Maps over here. And then you can use the search bar to search for any direction or anywhere you are going to. For example, I'm going to Zaria. I can just hit on Zaria and be able to see the location directly and the details of it. So you can just choose on direction and it will tell you how much time it will take you down here. You can see it takes 1 hour, 11 minutes to get there from my current location. This is where I want to go. And this is my current location. So you can click on start and then you can start navigating.
Head southwest toward Independence Way, then turn right onto Independence Way.
So you can just move around and just be following the direction. Sometimes the maps might come like this and you need to recenter and need to just recenter to zoom into so that you can see clarity in where you are going to. So I hope you find this helpful. Please, if you do, leave a like.